this video. In this video, we'll be talking about loops and we'll be making squares using loops. So let us begin. So I'm using code.org for explaining loops. I have an account on it. If you don't have it, then make it please. After making account, go to your over here and click my projects. After clicking my projects, you will land up on this page. Then you will see start a new project. In this you can get many projects that on which you want to work, but for now we'll be working only upon artist. Yes, so we have a person over here which will draw, and from over here we'll be taking out our blocks, and this is our workplace where we'll be placing these blocks. So let us begin. Firstly, go to actions block. Firstly, we'll be making a square without loop. So let us see 100 pixels. Then I'll go to actions and write turn left by 90 degrees. Now it will turn left. Now move forward by 100 pixels again. Go to the actions, turn left by 90 degrees. So we are done with the two sides. We need two more. So move forward by 100 pixels and turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 100 pixels and we'll be turning left it by 90 degrees. Now it is at that place only from where it started. So we are getting a square when we run this. But can you just see there is a bunch of code? At the place of this, we could use loops. So from these two blocks, we are getting one side. Now there are two sides, 3 and 4. So I'll go into the loop and take up the repeat block and I'll repeat it 4 times. I'll repeat one side 4 times, which will make a square for me. It will be making a square for me. Now we are done with the loops. How do loops actually work? I'll delete up this one. So we have made a square. Now if you want to make a rectangle, so let us make it firstly without loop. So we'll be moving forward, let us say 100 pixels or 150 pixels, and then I turn left by 90 degrees. Actions, then I be moving forward, but not 150, because a rectangle have two sides equal and two sides different. So I'll be moving, let us say as 100 or 80. Fine, it's fine. Now let us turn it left again by 90. Actions, move forward by, this time we will be taking 150. Actions, turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 80 pixels. And then we'll turn left by 90 degrees. Now it's at original place. So let us run it. So we are getting a square. I'll delete this one. Now what can you see similar in these codes? So let us see. This one is making our first side length of our rectangle, and this one is making our breadth of rectangle. So we need two these, and these two are similar to these one only. So we'll delete up this one. We'll go to the groups and take it. We'll repeat it 2 times. That firstly move forward this much. So it's moving forward this much. Now let us make it. Now we are getting a rectangle. How actually I did that was, if I, without using loop, I just run these. So it's already making 2 for me. So means when I'll run this is 1 time, and when I run this 2 times, it will be making a rectangle for me. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching it.